First, listen to this original audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
And target voice. Whispering stories yet untold. Hope awakens with. And this is the result.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful.
And that's all possible with Mean VC2, a powerful real-time voice conversion tool. With Mean VC2, you can transform the voice in any audio or video file into your own voice with impressive quality. Even better, it supports real-time voice conversion, allowing you to speak through your microphone and instantly change your voice while talking. In this video, I'll show you how to install Mean VC2 on your computer step by step. We'll download all the required files, set everything up correctly, and make sure the tool is running without any errors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to convert voices from audio and video files, and even use real-time voice conversion with your microphone. So let's get started. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of Mean VC2. You can read its documentations and other details you need to know. Installing this from main page, you will get so many errors. Good thing it exists on Hugging Face space. You can try it here before installing. To install locally, you need at least 4 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, Visual Studio, Git for Windows, FFmpeg. You can watch my playlist on installing these dependencies. Once you're ready, click on 3 dots at right top of Hugging Face space and click on Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone this. Type cd space and go to clone folder and copy its path. Paste in command window and hit enter. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy upgrade code from command window and paste in command window to update pip. Now you need to install PyTorch first. Make sure what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove Torch audio from list and add Gradio and spaces, then save requirements file. Now run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. This will download models running it first time. When you see a local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch Mean VC2. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Now just double-click Run File and use it anytime you want. Using this is very easy. First, upload voice file you want to change voice of. In quiet skies the dawn takes flight. Upload target voice you want this to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
Click Generate Voice.
In quiet skies the dawn takes flight, turning shadows into light.
For real-time voice, go to Live option. Upload voice you want to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
Click Start Voice Conversation. Choose your real microphone. Click Start Voice Conversation. You will hear your changed voice. Talking about result, I would recommend Seed VC over this. And that's it. You now have Mean VC2 installed and ready to use on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tool tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, let me know in the comments. I do my best to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.